In this video, I will show you how to get a Shopify free trial. To get started, open your web browser and go to shopify.com. Once you're on the home page, click the Start Free Trial button. Next, enter your email address, or sign up using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account if you prefer. After that, create your Shopify account by following the on-screen instructions, then it will ask you join it for $1. Simply click on Skip option at top right corner, then Shopify may ask you a few questions about your business, such as whether you're already selling products or just getting started. You can answer these questions or skip them if that option is available. Once your account is created, you'll have access to your free trial. During this time, you can customize your online store, add products, choose a theme, install apps, and explore Shopify's features before deciding on a paid plan. When your free trial ends, Shopify will ask you to choose a subscription plan if you want to continue using your store. In many regions, Shopify also offers a promotional price after the free trial, though this offer may vary depending on your country. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.